Hello guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new,
what's up?
In today's video, I basically wanted to try and recreate the look that
Me?
Ashley created on James Charles. Now, if you're a huge fan of Instafluencer, you already know exactly what I mean. Hi sisters!
Hi sisters!
This is basically the look that made her
win.
If you don't know what look I'm talking about, I'm referring back to the look Exhibit A. So if you guys want to see how I do that, definitely keep on watching. Also, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my base on, and I'll be right back. And here I go again, guys, trying the Dollar Tree foundation that I just reviewed.
If you didn't see that,
check that out. Link above or below. Holy but a goodie.
thumbnail.
Somebody tell me why I felt like using a big kabuki brush.
I don't know.
One eternity later.
I'm gonna go in with oat and set this down.
Sean, be gone.
Also from the Dollar Tree. I have an addiction, guys, I tell ya.
It's an addiction.
A little bronzer, a little blush.
What the heck?
Try to buff this out a little bit, because this is crazy.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk! Oh!
And now let's get to the fun portion of this video, now that our base is complete. Okay guys, so the first thing I do see here is a jawline.
Jawline?
I could try to do a jawline, so I'm gonna do contour, blush, glow, bake, lips,
brow.
So let's try to do jawline. Now the only thing I'm concerned about is that, are you guys gonna see it the way I see it? I don't know.
Let's see.
Am I drawing like backwards? I don't get it.
I'm scared.
Hi.
What the heck?
Let's try to fill this in a little bit. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it like that because I don't want to screw it up. Let's move on.
I need that.
The next one is contour, and contour has a little bit more of a brown shade. So I'm gonna try to use my MAC quad and see if I can work some magic. I wasn't as nervous as I am now. Jeez. It's kind of like you're running backwards, so I don't even know if you guys could even read that. Like, what
the heck?
Just believe in yourself. You can do it.
Believe in yourself.
I'm gonna try to do a circle. Oh my god.
Okay, wait.
Throw that ass in a circle.
Please keep watching. I'm not gonna have enough space. Why am I writing so big?
Whoa, okay. T is very easy.
You got that T.
And I oop.
Here we go with another O.
It's like a roller coaster.
We have U and an R left. I think I'm gonna become a tattoo artist after this.
I think I'm setting myself up.
Ow! No, that freaking hurts!
And a little and a boom.
One more.
Boom. Okay, what do you guys think? Did I pass?
Don't answer it.
Next, we're going to take a blush color and pop it here.
So
let's see what we're gonna do with that, because I'm confused. So now for my cheeks to write the word
blush,
I'm gonna take a little bit of this Tarte lip paint with another angled brush.
and pray.
I'm just gonna say this right now, like, this is why I admire those videos of people who do all the work and all the graphics and all this beautiful liner and my brain doesn't function that way, but
I'm trying.
This chicken what I have is this fish.
So far the T's and the H's and the E's are okay.
You can just leave that alone.
We just try to outline these a little. I can't leave anything alone.
Can't.
Okay, hopefully that made the situation a little bit more clear, but
I doubt it.
tap some of this extra cream off.
This is a mess.
So now for the word bake, I'm gonna go right here with this.
Yellowy shade.
I don't even think you guys can see this.
Can you guys read that?
Bake, blush, contour.
Jawline?
Can you see it? Moving on. We still have a glow
Portion to go.
I don't even think I'm gonna be able to fit glow. So maybe I'll do like a glow over here with I don't know what.
I don't know what.
I'm gonna use the crusty.
Is this the Krusty Krab?
No, this is Patrick.
Pale.
Primer, and I'm gonna use that to put glow.
How about that?
Oh my god.
Oh my, somebody take the brush away.
Somebody take the brush away.
All right, we look a mess. That's all right.
I'm so nervous. I'm like,
Pouring sweat. What the heck? Gross.
I'm gonna go in with a brand new Fenty to write the word brow.
On my brow.
There we go.
Ah, okay.
I'm gonna use this Dollar Tree sponge and wipe this off because next thing you know, it'll be all over my face.
Just like it is my body.
Coffee. All right guys, so your honest opinions. What did you really think about this look? I feel like I really tried.
Very hard.
I feel like I tried to make it work. Now, when it comes to writing things on your face, I am not a professional at that. I have never been. I worked at Mac, Sephora, all that stuff, but I've never been good at
Things like that.
Oh, guys, I literally forgot one thing. How could I forget lips? Hello?
lips.
Oh my god, I look like I ate like a freaking Sour Patch.
Like, what the hell?
Goodbye, Fenty. Thank you so much for helping me in the time of need. You're a true one, Riri.
You're a true one.
All right, guys, now this is the real look. We are
Completely done.
I had so much fun filming this. Like, it's just fun to film videos where...
It is what it is, you know?
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, definitely let me know down below. Also, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any other content ideas, definitely let me know.
Down below.
Until next time, guys. Bye.